loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Arapana if you are new, and on my channel I do lifestyle, fashion, occasional beauty, and motherhood content. I do a lot of try-on hauls, clothing hauls, styling videos, so if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. I do have a Boohoo try-on haul for you guys today. I hope you are excited for this video because a few of you did request a Boohoo haul. It's been about maybe a month or so since my last Boohoo haul, and I'm really excited to show you these really cute pieces. Very spring, summer inspired, very casual and dressy at the same time. But before we get started on this video, I want to quickly show you what I received from Dossier this month. If you guys have watched any of my videos in the past, you know I love Dossier. And if this is your first time visiting my channel and you have no idea who Dossier is, let me briefly tell you who they are. So they basically reproduce high-end luxury scents for a fraction of the cost. The most expensive bottle on their site, I believe, is $50, which is very, very affordable. They have a variety of scents to choose from. They have men's, women's, and they do have unisex scents as well. They do offer a risk-free 30-day no questions asked refund, so if you don't like the scent, you can definitely send it back. Their scents start as low as $29, which is incredible because a designer perfume can run you up to $280 to $300. So designer perfumes are very, very expensive, especially depending on the size that you get. So I think a starting price of $29 is just perfect. They're always adding new scents to their website, which is great because I love trying new things. So also, if you do like a bulk order, you can actually save like 25% off. I also do have a coupon code for you guys. I will pop it up here and it will be listed down below in my description box. Go ahead, use that coupon code to save yourself some extra money. I believe it's 10% off, but again, it will be down below in the description box. And I will also list down below the names of the perfumes that I'm going to be showing you today. Normally I show you 2 perfumes, but today I have 3 perfumes. The very first perfume I have to talk about is called Citrus Tea, and this is inspired by LILAC's The Noir perfume. So oh my gosh, this smells so good, and they are starting to phase out these little sample sizes, so you may or may not receive a sample size with your order, but don't worry, you will receive the full size bottle. And if you do, like I mentioned, open the bottle and you don't like the smell, you can still send it back. No questions asked. Don't worry about it. 30 days, you can get a full refund. This one smells really good, you guys. It's I want to say like a unique scent. I've never smelled anything like this, and I like that. I like that it's a little bit different. So the top notes for this one are bergamot, fig, and black tea, and then it also has middle notes and base notes. Again, everything is listed down below, so you can go ahead and check out the exact notes and see if you like it. So next up we have this one, and this one is called Oriental Tobacco, and this one is inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanilla perfume. This smells so good, you guys. It definitely has sweeter notes. The top notes are tobacco, ginger, and apricot. It smells so good. Middle notes, honey, vanilla, cocoa, and it also has base notes. I've been on a vanilla like sweet kick lately for my scents, and this is just perfect. It's everything I wanted in a bottle. I own a lot of perfumes from Dossier, and I chose majority of them based off the fact that I did own the original, or I did smell the original, and hands down their perfumes are true to scent. They smell exactly like the original. And last up we have this perfume. I'm not even gonna try to butcher this name up here, so I'm just gonna call it Pink Pepper, and it's inspired by Gucci's Guilty. So I actually got this one for my husband. It smells so good. I love this. It's very sexy, it's very manly, but I also feel at the same time it could be a unisex perfume. Love this. And I also love their packaging. Like, do you see how sleek and pretty that looks? And all of their caps are magnetic, so it helps with keeping them intact and not losing the caps and all that stuff. So I really like their packaging. Very pretty, very sleek. So yeah, if you guys are interested in Dossier, everything will be linked down below in the description box. And now let's move on to the Boohoo haul. So the first outfit I want to show you guys is actually a 2-piece outfit. So this is the top. Very pretty. I love the sleeve length on this. This top is so adorable. Let me bring it closer so you can see the pattern. It's a lightweight material, and the sleeves go down to your elbows, and it's a really fun cute top because it ties in the front like that, so it is open, so you can adjust it to your chest size. So I really like this top, and this would look so cute with any other bottoms as well. And it comes with this skirt, and this skirt does have a nice high slit there. Very pretty. If you don't like it that high up, you can always put like a little pin or just add a little stitch there, so it makes it a shorter slit. The waistband here is stretchy, again the same lightweight material. The pattern continues throughout. I also feel like this is a really pretty like vacation outfit. Like if you're going to brunch or dinner, this is one of those outfits that would be perfect to wear. You can even wear it to the beach as well. This outfit is so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this. So I am 5 feet 4 inches for reference, and I do feel like it is a little bit long on me, so this is something I would definitely have to wear with heels, but this would look really nice with sandals as well if you are on the taller side and you don't need heels. It's long, but it's not too long where I have to wear like a really high heel, so maybe like a 2 or 3 inch heel would be perfect with this. So next up is this two-piece set, which is sold separately. So this top you can purchase by itself, and this skirt you can purchase by itself. So I purchased both pieces because I wanted to make it like a little set like the set I just showed you, but I don't like it as a set. I actually like them better individually. I feel like it just doesn't go well as a set, and it's mostly because I feel like this top needed to be a little bit more cropped for it to look cute. So I feel like the top is just a little too long on my body proportions, so this is just a top I would wear with jeans. And the skirt you can of course pair it with any other like crop top or anything like that. So like the other one, the black skirt, it does have like a little slit there. I don't think it's as high as the black one, and the material is a little bit different. So this is more of like a cottony material, and it is stretchy. And I just love this top because it has this little crisscross detail. It has a cute little sleeve. I love this color. So the skirt itself does have a stretchy waistband. So next up we have this really simple but beautiful dress. It's very lightweight, and it does stop a little bit above the knee, so it's a pretty good length. And the top here you can tie yourself, so this can be undone and you can tie it how you like to your body height. So I think that's a really good detail. You can maybe even like crisscross it in the back if you wanted to. This part here is stretchy, and the material is just really nice and simple. I just love the simplicity of it. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but you can definitely dress this up with some like sandals and like a straw hat and straw bag, and I think that would be such a cute look. So next up we have these distressed high-rise mom jeans. So that's what the bottoms of them look like. So you can see all the distressing all over, and then this is what the back of them looks like. I like this medium blue wash. I think it's very flattering and pretty and just a simple color. There really isn't much stretch to these jeans, so just keep that in mind. The only thing is with these, I feel like the back, I do have like a little bit of a gap in the back part, so I'm not really sure about these jeans. I think the front of them fits fine. I do have like a love-hate relationship with Boohoo jeans. I feel like their crotch area is always just a tad bit long, but I feel like for these, they fit perfectly fine. I think it's because they're a high-rise. So I like the fit of these in the front. I think they look really cute, but the back with the gap, I'm not 100% on board with. So I have a few tops to show you guys. I think these tops would look really nice with those jeans. This top is more on the dressy side. I just love the color. It's a very pretty lilac color. I love the sleeve. I love that it's like a little bit tighter around here and a little bit loose and flowy here. So this one is more of an off-the-shoulder top. Very pretty. It has like a little corset style. The material is stretchy. It's a medium weight material, I would say. So this material here is a little bit different than the material here. So I love that little like contrasting detail. I think it's very pretty on, and this color is just perfect. Next up we have this simple red top. So this part here can be undone, and you can actually push it up and make it shorter if you want, or undo it and make it longer. The material is stretchy, it's lightweight, it's just a basic like cute little top. The floral print is just adorable, has a nice little v-neck, and this ruching detail is always my friend. I love little ruching details everywhere. That's what the back of it looks like. Just a casual cute shirt that you can pretty much pair with a lot of like denim bottoms or shorts, or even some like denim skirts. So next up we have this little white shirt, also a cropped shirt. I love this sleeve. I think it's so cute, and I really like this shirt because of the detail here. So normally I see shirts with this part here like you saw in the red shirt, it's just in the middle, but this one had it on both sides, and I thought that was so adorable. Unlike the red shirt though, this one you cannot adjust. It does not give you the option to like make it shorter or longer. It's pretty much stitched that way, but you can undo the bow and retie it to your liking. It's just plain and white all the way around, just a basic cute little top to throw on with jeans. And the last item I have to show you is a very casual t-shirt, and it just says J'adore Paris on it, and I just thought it was cute. It comes in other colors as well if you don't like the white background. Simple, casual, lightweight, definitely something I would wear with high-waisted jeans rolled up or tucked in. Just a simple basic tee with a little bit of graphics to add to your wardrobe. So before I end this video, I wanted to say that last month I did a giveaway for one of Dossier's perfume. So the first giveaway winner I chose never reached out to me, so I chose another one. They never reached out to me, therefore I have to choose another giveaway winner. I think I've given them enough time. If you were the giveaway winner, I'm sorry you didn't respond in time, you didn't email me or DM me, so now I have to unfortunately choose a new winner. And this is the new winner. If this is you, please just DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked down below, or email me. My email is linked down below. So yeah, just reach out to me and put giveaway, Dossier giveaway in the title of your subject, so that way I know it's you. So yeah, if this is you, please DM me, email me to claim your prize so I can get your information to ship it to you. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Everything I talk about will be linked down below in the description box. And just an FYI, Boohoo always has like a coupon code, you guys, so you never pay full price. So yeah, I think that covers everything. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Stay safe, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.